Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the channel. This is Darrell with Milling by Darrell. Today, I'm out in the field harvesting some logs. This is some property that a friend of mine manages, and there just happens to be a bunch of logs here. So you can see all the logs behind me. There's some cherry and hickory. I'll probably get some of that. And then there's some more logs over there, a couple of cedars. So that might be another trip. But what I'm doing is I'm using my winch. So you can see I've already got 3 logs up there to winch up each log. So it makes it fairly easy. I just have to be careful with how the winch reels because you don't want it bundling up. So we'll see if I can do this one-handed since I'm holding the phone. It may be kind of challenging. This is my cant hook. This is what turns the logs, which my kids got that for me for, oh gosh, Christmas one year, I think, and it's been like my best tool I've ever had. So here we go. Turn this thing on. Oh, we've got to engage it. It was on free spool, so now we have to engage it. So there we go. Now it's going to winch up. Probably need to spin this over again to get it in position. Otherwise, it's gonna bundle up my reel on my winch. So whenever you want it, when it's spinning, you want it to spin and rotate like just like a cable would rotate coming in. You don't want it all in one area or else it'll bind it and chew up the cable. And we don't want that to happen because these things are not cheap. Okay. Doing this with one hand is challenging. All right. That should be pretty good. Okay, so we got a log. Oh. Let's try to move this. There we go. Oop. You gotta be careful of these logs. They have a mind of their own. Now, this is a really light log. Usually I have pieces of flat wood on my ramp to keep it from hurting it. You can kind of see where it's bent from the logs. So we'll winch this up the rest of the way. Actually, we'll probably stop it right there and we'll put it over here because I have to have a clear path to my winch. All right, we'll check back in a little bit. Okay, everyone, I'm back. So I got a total of 15 logs. Most of them are cherry. There's a couple that are hickory. A really good haul. The trailer is handling it fine. We'll get those home, get them unloaded. The Dodge, she's riding great. So no worries about weight. So just one part of my job is to go and get logs to mill, and I have to do it with a winch and a cant hook. So it is physically demanding, but it's very rewarding, very worth it once you see the inside of that wood. So it's a great day to get logs. Later on, it's going to be a great day to mill. Until then, this is Darrell with Milling by Darrell. Take care, everybody.